Change settings. In this quick video, I will show you how to change your settings in Subway Surfer, whether it sounds, notification, language or more. Let's get started. Open Subway Surfer application. From the home screen, you have to tap onto the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a little gear. In here, you can change sounds and music. You can toggle on or off if you want to play silent. You just have to move the point from left to right to increase or decrease the sound level. You can choose language of your preferred choice. You just have to tap on language. You can turn on gain notification on or off. You can view app policies or reset your data. You can contact the Subway Surfer support team. Just tap on any option to make the changes. And that's it. You have now customized your settings in Subway Surfer. Super simple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.